Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about switch statement in PHP. The switch statement is similar to a series of if statements on the same expression. In many occasions you may want to compare the same variable or expression with many different values and execute a different piece of code depending on which value is equal to. Let's create a new file, switch.php. Let's create a variable. Let's create an array. Days is equals to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And let's create another variable, day num, and we will use a function rand which will generate a random number between 0 to 6 because we have weekdays from 0 to 6 in our array days. Let's print this pr break and the day num, the value of this variable. And here you can see that 3, and when we refresh it will generate a random number between 0 to 6. Let's start with switch statement. We will assign switch to this variable day num. So the case 1, if the case is 1 then, but we have the index 0, so we will first use 0. So the case 0, and we will, let's suppose, create another variable message and first and change this to switch, and the message is equals to Monday because the 0 is Monday, and we can print a task here like assignment submission last date. And in case 1, a message Tuesday, this task is for Tuesday. Copy this, and for case 2, for Wednesday, case 4, the switch case statement tests a variable against a series of values until it finds a match, and then executes the block of code corresponding to that match. So here is our switch, and we will print the message at the end, and here I can see that the message variable is, we remove this G, so this is the case from 0 to 6, and a default value if the number is not between 0 to 6, so the message is unknown day num. And please remember that at the end of each case we will use this break. Let's check this. And for Friday, the task is for Friday. Let's see that index 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The fourth is Friday. So like this, refresh 6, Sunday, 1, Tuesday and 0 for Monday. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.